This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 71. Why boredom appears before curiosity returns. After urgency fades, something unexpected often appears. Not joy, not excitement, boredom. The mind feels understimulated, time feels slow, nothing seems interesting enough to engage with. This is often interpreted as a problem. Biologically, it is not. When the nervous system exits protection, it does not immediately seek novelty. First, it seeks absence of demand. During survival, attention is constantly pulled outward, scanning, reacting, adjusting, responding. When that loop ends, the system experiences empty space. That space feels like boredom, but it is actually resting attention. Curiosity cannot appear while vigilance is still active, and curiosity cannot be forced into a system that is still learning how to be still. This is why boredom often precedes interest. The nervous system is recalibrating from reaction to availability. Nothing is wrong if nothing grabs you yet. Your system is clearing old noise so new signals can be heard. Boredom is not a lack of life, it is life without pressure. Let boredom exist without filling it. Curiosity returns on its own timeline. Next episode: why sudden interests come and go without meaning anything yet. Thank you.